Okay, hello everyone. So our lesson today is about designing and constructing 3D shapes. But before we head to our lesson, can you name some of the 3D shapes that you learned yesterday? Do you still remember some of the 3D shapes from yesterday's lesson? If you have an answer, please click on this button, raise hand. Okay, we have Maha. Yes, Maha, please. Yes, Maha. Yeah, you're raising your hand. Okay, Mishal.
Sphere.
Very good. Sphere. Al-Juhara. Noof. Okay, sphere is a 3D shape. What else?
Cube.
Cube. Amazing. Cube is also 3D shape. What else? Mishal.
Cube.
Cube, cuboid, sphere. Amazing. Okay, let's revise some of the names of the 3D shapes. So this is cube. This is a cuboid. This is a sphere. What about this one? What's the name of this shape? The one that I'm moving here in the screen.
Mister, I can tell.
Yes, please.
Cylinder.
Very good. A cylinder. What about this one?
Mister, I know.
Yes.
Cone.
Cone. Amazing. Very good.
Mr. is not raising his hands.
Okay, you should raise your hand. Yes.
Raise a hand.
Okay, you raise your hand and keep your microphones turned off. Okay, what about this one? When you raise your hand, I hear the sound. Okay, Mishal. Yes, Mishal.
A square base of pyramids.
Very good. This is a square-based pyramid. Amazing. 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 Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, let's revise some of the properties of 3D shapes. Now, let's take cube. How many faces does a cube have? Do you remember how many faces does a cube have? How many faces? Okay, I'm gonna show you here. This is a cube. How many faces does it have? This is a cube. How many faces does it have? 1, 2 on the opposite side, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a cube has 6 faces. So these are the faces. So in a cube, the faces have square shapes. Now, what about the edges? Edges are the lines. Edges are the sides of the shape. How many edges does a cube have? These are the edges. Can you guess? You can count the edges here. I'm going to show you the shape here. How many edges? Okay, let's count it together. 1, this 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on this side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So a cube has 12 edges. 8 faces, or 6 faces, 12 edges. Now, what about vertices? These are the vertices, the corners. When the two sides meet, here they form a corner. We call it vertex. So one single corner, we call it vertex. If we have so many, we call them vertices in the plural. So how many vertices does this shape have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a cube has 8 vertices. Good job. Let's go back to our lesson. So today you're going to be learning to construct 3D shapes by considering their properties in relation to different construction materials. So I am expecting all of you must be able to construct simple 3D shapes by considering their properties. And I'm expecting most of you should be able to explain which materials can and cannot be used to construct specific shapes. Lastly, I am expecting some of you could explain the difficulty constructing shapes that have any curved surfaces, like a cylinder, like a cone. So these are the most important keywords in our lesson: cube, length, direction, angle, features, vertices, faces, edges, sphere, pyramid. So Lee and Bella are trying to construct a 3D shape by using these small cubes. So they want to make a cube out of these small cubes. So who can make a cube by putting together their smaller cubes? Bella or Lee? Think. If you have an answer, please click on the raise hand button. Who can make a cube? Noof?
The girl.
Very good. The girl. So Bella can make a cube. Why?
Because she has more cubes.
Yeah, amazing. Because Bella has more cubes. She has 8 small cubes, whereas Lee has just 6 small cubes. So Lee does not have enough small cubes to make a large cube. Bella can make a cube by using all of her smaller cubes. It has a length of 2 units in every direction. Okay? Now it's time to think together about how to construct a cube. So you're gonna make some cubes using different construction materials. Now the question is, how many of which will you need? The materials that you need squares. These squares can be made out of paper, cardboard, cartoon, or whatsoever. And you need sticks, and you need marshmallows. If you don't have marshmallows, you can use Play-Doh as well. So you need how many squares to make the faces of a cube? And you need how many sticks to make the edges of the cube? And you need how many marshmallows to make the corners or vertices of a cube? Let's start with the first question. Who can answer the first question? So how many squares do you need to make the faces of a cube? How many squares?
6.
Very good. Who answered this question?
Yusuf.
Amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much, Yusuf. But next time, please click on the raise hand button. So you need 6 squares in order to make the faces of a cube. Now, how many sticks do you need to make the edges of a cube? How many sticks? Click on the button. Saud. Yes, Saud.
8 sticks.
Say it again, please.
8.
Very good. So you need 8 sticks to make the edges of a cube. I have a question for you, Saud. Why do you need 8 sticks?
Because to do a marshmallow.
Yeah, I know, but why 8? Why 8 sticks? Why not 10 sticks? Who can answer this question? Yeah? Yes, please.
Mister, I know.
Yes, please.
Because you do cube marshmallow.
Yeah, I know, but why do we need 8 sticks and not 10 sticks? Yusuf Bakr. Thank you, Saud. Thank you, Saud, for your try. Yusuf, let's see, Yusuf. Do you have an answer, Yusuf? Noof, do you have an answer? Why do we need 8 sticks?
Because there, because there is how much marshmallows?
There are
10 marshmallows.
simply the answer is because a cube needs 8 edges, and we are going to use the sticks to make the edges. So we need 8 sticks. It's very simple. Okay. So we need 12 edges in order to make the cube. Okay, so we need 12 sticks. 6 squares, 12 sticks. Not 8. I show you here in front of the camera. These are the edges. Let's count how many edges do we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4 in this space. 4, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 edges. 12 edges in a cube. So in order to construct a cube, we need 12 sticks. 12 sticks to represent the edges. Okay? Next question. How many marshmallows do we need in order to make the corners or the vertices of a cube? How many marshmallows?
4.
4?
6.
6? Count. This is the cube.
Mister, I know.
The
8.
shape is here. Yes, raise your hand. Click on the bottom, raise hand.
8.
8, Mister.
Click on the button, please. Mishal? Yes, Mishal? Mishal, you want to answer? Fahad?
Mister, I know.
Fahad?
6.
Maha? So
Mister,
if you don't want to
Mister,
answer a question, don't raise your hand. If you want to answer a question, raise your hand.
Mister, I know.
Yusuf Bakr.
I know.
8.
Very good. Saud Said, I am asking you to click on the button. You can't hear me?
I click the button.
So you click the button and keep quiet and don't talk. Keep your microphone turned off until I tell you or I ask you to answer the question. Okay, 8. Very good, Yusuf Bakr. So we need 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 marshmallows in order to make the vertices. Why do we need 8 marshmallows? Because a cube has 8 vertices. So this is your project. So you're gonna construct a cube out of these materials. You can use cardboard in order to cut out your squares. You need sticks and marshmallows. If you don't have marshmallows, you can use Play-Doh. Okay? So now it's your turn. I want you to take a pencil and a paper. very quickly. So I want you to draw the faces of a cube. Could you please draw the faces of a cube? And how many faces are you going to draw?
Draw 6 faces.
Okay? Draw the faces of a cube. How many faces do you need in order to make a cube?
Yeah.
Okay, draw them.
Mister, what do we do? Forgot.
You draw the faces of a cube.
Okay.
This is a cube, right? The one I am moving here. I'm gonna reset the tool. This is a cube. Draw the faces separately. I want you to draw the faces, and your faces should have the same length. They should be all the same. They should all have the same size and length. So draw the faces of your cube.
Mister, let it to see.
Mister, I can write with the whiteboard.
Yes. If you want to talk, raise your hand. There is a button here. Click on it. I'll let you and I'll allow you to talk. What do you want, Mu'jab?
Mister, what I want to see it. I do it because I do it.
Okay. This is the cube. You're going to draw the faces.
Oh.
Okay. How many faces does it have? It has 6 faces. So draw 6 faces. It's so easy. Don't forget to use a ruler. It's so important to use a ruler while you're drawing. So, Said, what do you want? Yes?
I am finished.
Okay. Show me your work, please. How many faces did you draw? How many faces?
Six.
Yeah, 6 faces. Okay, but what are the 6 faces? You should draw 6 squares. Six squares. So suppose that you want to construct a 3D shape, a cube. First, you're going to draw 6 squares and you cut out those squares out of paper or out of cardboard. Then you're going to join them together, right?
Okay.
So you need to draw 6 separate squares. Is anyone else done?
Mister, I don't know how to do it.
You don't know how to draw a square?
Not this, because there's a black one. You should do it nicely. I do the black one and like this, and I can do it.
It's okay.
Mister, I'm
Draw 6
done.
squares. Okay, show me, Mr. Okay, I said if you are done, you just raise your hand. All right, Mishal, show me your work. One, two, three, four, five, six. This is the way you draw squares. Okay, how many squares did you draw, Mishal?
6, sir.
Very good. Now, your next step, Mishal, those who have finished, your next step is to draw the sticks. What does it mean, the sticks? It means the edges. Draw the edges. How many edges does a cube have? Draw all the edges. Noof, let me see your work, please.
Mister, but how do we write the back? How do we draw the back?
You're going to draw them separately. You are not going to join them. Draw them separately. Just 6 squares. So easy. Yeah, that's it. 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Good job. Your next step, Noof, is to draw the sticks or the edges. You remember the edges here?
Yeah.
Here are the edges. How many edges do you need? You need 12 edges. So draw 12 sticks.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Again, I'm gonna mute your microphones. Mu'jab, show me your work.
See.
Okay, very good. So these 6 squares will make a cube by joining them. Now, draw 12 edges. I want you to draw 12 edges or 12 sticks. It's outside. Okay. Yeah, good job. Now draw 12 edges. You are drawing the materials that you will be needing in order to construct your 3D shapes.
Mister, I'm done.
Okay, draw 12 edges. These are the edges, the sticks.
Mister, I'm
You will
done.
need 12 sticks. Yeah, once you are done, you can click on raise hand button. Click on raise hand. Yes, Maha.
I'm done.
Okay. Can I see?
Okay.
Can I see? Amazing. Wow. All of your squares are the same. Amazing work. Now, your next step is to draw 12 edges. It means the marshmallows. Draw them. This is just a try for now. Later on, you can have your marshmallows, you can have your sticks, you can have your faces or squares. Then you construct your 3D shape.
Mister.
Click on raise hand button if you want to answer a question.
Okay, Mister.
Click on your raise hand. Yusuf Abubakar. Okay, very good. Yeah, I love the way you drew them. I love the way. I like it. Oh, so nice. Amazing. Look at Abu Bakr. Yeah, hold it up a little bit, please. Hold it up. Okay, keep it like that. Can everybody see Yusuf Abu Bakr's work? Can everybody see how amazing Yusuf Abu
Yes.
Bakr has drawn squares in order to make a
See it?
cube? Amazing. Very good, Yusuf Abu Bakr. Well done. Thank you. Mwah. Fahad wants to say something. Okay, let me see Fahad. Fahad,
Mister,
yes.
I finished the script.
Okay, you want to show me? Show me. Well done, 6 squares. Amazing, amazing. Very good. The idea is just to help you visualize the work that you are going to do. Simply, what you are going to do is to draw squares on a cardboard or paper or cartoon. Okay? You draw 6 squares with a ruler, of course, and all of your 6 squares should have the same size, same length, same width, same length. Square. When we say square, they should be all the same. Okay? So this is your first step. You draw 6 squares on a cardboard or on a paper. All of them should have the same size. Your next step is to bring sticks. Sticks. How many sticks you are going to bring? How many sticks? How many sticks do we need for our cube?
8.
8. Do we need 8?
6.
6. Someone else.
12.
12.
Let's count up. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we need 12. We said we need 12 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Why do we need 12 sticks? Because a cube has 12 edges. Now, how many marshmallows do we need? How many marshmallows?
4.
6.
How many marshmallows do we need?
6, mister.
6.
Mr. 8.
Wait, you should click on the raise hand button to avoid the noise, okay? Yes, Yusuf Abu Bakr. Yes, Yusuf Abu Bakr. How many
8.
marshmallows? We need 8. Why? Because a cube has 8
8.
vertices, 8 corners. Very good. So we need who's making this sound?
غاية.
Okay. So we need 8 marshmallows. 1 marshmallow, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now we have all the materials are ready for us in order to construct our 3D shape. So we can start joining the sticks. First, you join the sticks together in order to make the vertices and the edges. You join them straight. You take 1 marshmallow, you join it with 1 stick. And on the other end, you put another marshmallow and you join it with another stick until you get this shape. You get this cube. After you finish, you can stick the squares here on the faces to cover the faces of the cube. And then you are done with your cube. Okay, so if you don't have marshmallows, you can use Play-Doh. Play-Doh is better than marshmallow. So this is your task. This is your project for this week. Please do this project as soon as possible. Then take a picture and send it to me or upload it on Google Classroom. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining and listening and for